guys, my name is Harshit and welcome to Brat Officials. So आज की वीडियो बहुत ही ज़्यादा अमेजिंग होने वाली है. So guys, आज फाइनली वो दिन आ गया है एंड आज के लिए मैं बहुत ही ज़्यादा एक्साइटेड हूँ. So guys, as you already know, we are building this project Polo. So this is our Polo GT 1.2 TSI. This is a very old model, so we are doing lot of stuff on this car. So इस कार में हमने काफ़ी सारी चीज़ें करी हैं अभी तक एंड कार बहुत ही अमेजिंग लग रही है ऑलरेडी. बट एक चीज़ मिसिंग थी एंड यू नो, इफ़ यू आर रियली अ कार गाय, यू नो हाउ मच an alloy wheel make a difference to the car looks and how it feels. So I'll take you to the backstory. So car is now currently running on VW original OEM alloy wheels which are 15 inches. These are the 15 inches alloy. पास में हमने इसको already black में paint किया था and that was also looking really good. So that black alloy wheels with the red car and yellow calipers sounds a lot like a Ferrari, but yeah, we actually got inspired from Ferrari and copied the design what Ferrari used to do with their cars. Of course, it is not a Ferrari and it's a budget car. Honestly, it turned out really good and it was looking really nice. So कार में बहुत सारी चीज़ें हो चुकी थी, but the main thing which I was expecting, which I really want to do on this car, so these are the alloy wheels. So guys, best part about these alloy wheels, why I was waiting for so long, मैं इतना क्यों वेट कर रहा था इन alloy wheels के लिए, because I want perfect size for this car and I want really good quality ones, the good quality wheels for this car. quality के साथ साथ मैं चाहता था कि इस कार में जो alloy wheels लगे वो थोड़ा स्टैंड आउट करें. ये जो नॉर्मली हम बहुत सारे एगरडाइनाज एंड बहुत सारे हम लोग एलॉय व्हील्स देख रहे हैं ऑलरेडी पोलो में, जो कि बहुत ही ज़्यादा कॉमन है. एंड गाइस, ट्रस्ट मी, द मॉडिफिकेशंस विच आर डन ऑन पोलो, तो ज़्यादातर जितनी कार्स होती हैं वो सिमिलर सी लगती हैं. सो आई रियली डिडंट वांट दैट कि जो मेरी कार है वो एकदम सिमिलर लगे बाकी सारी कार से. सो that's why I waited a lot of time to find out these alloys and the correct fitment. So I'll take you टू द इस बहुत सारी बातें हो गई हैं. चलिए मैं अब फटाफट से आपको वो अलॉयज़ दिखाता हूँ. इन अलॉयज़ के बारे में मैं सभी डिटेल में बताता हूँ. एक्चुअली ये अलॉयज़ हम बहुत सारी क्रेटा में ऑलरेडी इंस्टॉल कर चुके हैं, लेकिन ये अलॉय हमने पोलो के लिए, ये जो स्पेसिफिक डिज़ाइन है Audi RS7, अगर आपने Audi RS7 देखी होगी तो वो सेम यही अलॉय का डिज़ाइन है, एकदम एग्जैक्ट सेम डिज़ाइन Audi RS7 में आता है. एंड that car looks really smashing with these alloys and the red color. So I really thought कि ये पोलो पे भी बहुत ज़्यादा सूट करेगा and I really wanted to have some distinct design with my car, as I already told you that most of the polos, modifications done on the polos look exactly same. Most of the modified polos look exactly same. So that's why I really spend a lot of time finding these alloys. So फटाफट से चलते हैं, मैं आपको alloys दिखाता हूँ. alloys के बारे में सभी details बताऊँगा कि why these alloys are really different and I'll show you the quality of the wheels. So guys, I hope you like the cold start, and this was a bonus clip. And here are the wheels. All the wheels are here, and I'll show you. So guys, yeah, this is our Polo GT. You can see interior में इतना कुछ इस कार में नहीं है. We only have this suede red steering, and fuel भी almost कम ही होने वाला है. Already गाड़ी रिजर्व में है, and the car has done 71,000 kilometers, and here it is. This is the first OG Polo GT 2013 model, which came the very first Polo GT in which no cost cutting was done. It came with these lights. I'll show you. It came with this fabric. It came with this ring LED. You can see the red glowing. The later model didn't came with this. It came with the red meter. So that is why I really don't want to sell this car, and this car is so close to my heart, and that is why I just love this car. And also guys, this is the real Volkswagen, and the car now you are getting is just fake Volkswagens. I don't consider them as Volkswagens. You can see the interior, you can see the buttons. Okay, this is a fucking 12-year-old car. You can see there is no aging, even on the steering, even on the buttons. There is no aging. You can see the interior look as fresh as a good new car. You can see. So this is the real German car, not the ones you are getting now in the country. You can see the quality. कोई पेंट कहीं से ख़राब नहीं हुआ है, कोई बटन ख़राब नहीं हुआ है, बटन का पेंट नहीं निकला है कहीं से भी. You can see this is a 12-year-old car, 2013 model. You can see everything works. Finally we are here, and probably this is the last time we are seeing this car with these 15 inches alloys. You can see this also look good. This has 185 60 R15. These are Pirelli tires. So probably this is the last time we are seeing this car in this. Here you can see these are the wheels which we are going to install. This is the same Audi RS7 design. You can see the finish comes with diamond with gloss black. So guys, you can see the quality of these 17 inches wheel, and definitely it shines. Here's the wheel, and now I will quickly show why this wheel is very important. First of all, you can see this is 17 inches 7.5J. This is 7.5J wide rim. You can see, and this product is made in India. I'll show you. This product is made in India. You can clearly see this. Also, it came with ISI marked. This is ISI marked product, which is suitable for Indian condition. Which is suitable for the Indian roads. And you can see this is ET25. This has positive offset of 25. You can see the quality of the wheel. I've shown you all the details. You can see the high quality wheel. This is the main reason why I wanted to buy this product. You can see this is ISI certified. It is a decently wide rim. You can see in the broad daylight how good the wheel looks. It has this 3D pattern with diamond cut. Really looks nice, especially for a red car. You can see this is our Polo GT, and probably this is the last time we are seeing with these 15 inches. And also these 15 inches wheel, these are for sale. If anyone of you want this, these are for sale. This is 15 inches OEM. It is in very good condition. We have painted these wheels in gloss black. There is no damage, no bend. So if any one of you want to have this, you can install these wheels in Polo, Vento, Fabia, and Virtus, Taygun, Kushaq, Corolla, MG Aster. All these cars, this is compatible. Show you the tire quality also. Tire has around 50% rubber. One of the tire is Apollo and rest 3 are Pirelli. You can see the tire condition. So guys, now finally we are installing the tires on these wheels. The tire what we are using on this car is Michelin Pilot Sport 4. You can see the tire. This is the best tire you can get for your car. So installing these tires on our rim, and we are taking utmost care so that we don't scratch these beautiful wheels for our car. And honestly speaking, I am very excited to see how it will come up. And finally the first wheel is done. So, guys, finally, we are removing our old wheels, which served us for more than 11 years, and completely these wheels still works fine. But yes, something good is waiting for us. And guys, as I already told you, these calipers and the drums were already painted yellow, but as we are installing new wheels, so we wanted to give a really a fresh look so that these wheels actually pop out on this red color, and yellow actually complement with black and red. So this is my personal preference. Comment down below what do you think about this color. Guys, finally moment of truth, and finally the moment we were waiting for. Now we actually installing these wheels in our car. Finally, moment of truth. So guys, front wheel we have already installed, and now we are coming back to the rear section. And guys, honestly, it is actually making a difference. It is actually making a difference. And guys, to be very honest, after installing this wheel, this Polo is actually looking like a very mature car, a very well proportioned design. Also, this has completely changed the way how it looks. Actually, see, with just wheels, how this has completely changed the look of the car. This side you can see the 15 inches, and moving on to this side, these have 17. You can see how good the car looks. From the behind you can see, पीछे से आप देख सकते हैं, this is the width of 185 section, 15 inches, and this is the width of 205 section, 17 inches. You can see the difference. You can see the difference of both the sides. Looking like a beast. So guys, this is the tire which we are using. This is a Michelin 205/50 ZR17. This is the best tire, Pilot Sport 4. The best tire you can get. And now we are installing on the other side also, and you can see all 4 tires are already been installed, and this is how the outcome looks. Trust me guys, in my opinion the car looks really mature, really well proportioned, because the 15 inches were looking, it was looking like an ordinary car, but after installing these 17 inches, to be very this actually transformed the way how it looks. Trust me. So guys, finally we have installed the alloys, and see this, how beautiful the car is looking. I'll show you. So guys, you can see how beautiful the car is looking, and actually these wheels are looking so good on a red car. You can see how good the fitment is. You can see from every angle the car is looking really good. Perfect fitment. Also guys, the best part about this setup is, as the car is running already with the stock springs and suspension, but still the car looks lowered, as the gap between the wheels and the fender is really minimized. You can see these are the 17 inches Michelin Pilot Sport 4. These are the Pilot Sport 4 tires. And coming up to the size, this is 205/50 R17. The reason I wanted to go for the 50 series and not 45, because most of the people use 45, because the Delhi roads, you can see the condition of the roads, so I don't want to compromise. I didn't want to compromise on the ride comfort, and this actually looks super beautiful. Even the fitment is very plush. You can see it sits right exactly from the center. You can see from the fender, this is how it looks. Really plush fitment. You can see, guys, you can see how good the car is looking, and the fitment, you can see, very plush. and even from the fender you can see the gap. It is not coming out from the fender, it is very plush. Even at the rear wheel also you can see the fitment is really plush. जो व्हील है वो कहीं से भी बाहर नहीं आ रहा है, आप देख सकते हैं. एंड इट इज़ लुकिंग रियली गुड, रियली गुड. आई एम जस्ट लविंग दिस कार more and more now, to be very honest. And the alloy pattern you can see, this is the same alloy, this is the same design with, guys, you can see the alloy pattern. This is the same design which comes in Audi RS7. You can see the finish of the wheel. It is looking really good. You can see the wheel, guys. This is the diamond cut and gloss black actually, and we have painted the calipers yellow, so it is actually complementing the car a lot better. How good the alloy looks. You can see, guys. And now it is actually giving the car a very bulky look. You can see. I'm really happy with the fitment. You can see, guys. I just love this finish. And also from some angles it looks like a Monte Carlo wheel which comes in Kushaq. And these are some of the moving shots. These are the same wheels which comes in Audi RS7. We have this. These are the 100 by 5, which is perfect for Volkswagen. So these same alloys can be installed in Polo, Vento, Fabia, and Virtus, Slavia, Taygun, Kushaq, all these cars, MG Ester, and Corolla Altis. So this is the 17 inches. We have this wheel, this same design for another cars also. So if you want to order this for your car, just WhatsApp us. Our team will be very happy to assist you, guys. You can see the car is looking really good, really good. I'm more than happy. The car is looking really good. And also, guys, if you are looking for the price range, these alloys, these will cost you around 45,000 rupees for a set of 4 in 17 inches. But we are currently running a huge discount for the inaugural, for the very few customers. So if you are looking for alloy wheels, you can just contact us on WhatsApp, Instagram, and place your order. We are running very heavy discounts for the alloy wheels, as this will be an introductory price because this is the latest model, and will give you a very good price. And also we provide shipping all over India. So guys, thank you so much. I have already given you the ball figure. This will cost you somewhere around 45,000, plus we will give you some extra discount to you and some free gifts definitely. So get in touch with us and we'll be very happy to assist you. So guys, you have seen the whole video and we have explained each and everything to you. So guys, if you are looking for anything for your car, if you're looking for any accessories, any alloy wheel, tires, we'll be very happy to assist you. So if you are looking for alloy wheels for your Polo, for your any German car, or even for any car, So we'll be very happy to assist you. We are based in New Delhi and we provide shipping all over India. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos. You can visit our Instagram, Facebook and WhatsApp for more interesting products and see our digital catalog. So thank you so much guys. Bye bye. Ciao.